Before anything else, thank you to everyone who picked up Liquid Glass Controller and to everyone who left a comment on the last video and sent messages. This update exists because of you. I read every comment, and one request came up more than anything else: presets. So that's exactly where we start. Instead of dialing in blur, tint, and refraction from scratch every time, V2 ships with built-in glass presets. Pick a look, apply it in one click, then fine-tune from there if you want. It's the fastest way to get from blank layer to finished glass look. And if you land on a combination you like, you can save it as your own preset too, so it's right there next time. The second most requested thing: simple in and out animations built right into the panel. No manual keyframing, no separate expression setup. Select your style and the layer animates in and out on its own. V2 now works correctly on pre-compositions. Apply the glass effect directly to a precomp with animation inside it, and that animation keeps playing exactly as it should. No workarounds needed. And inside that precomp, you can now add things like fast blur and choke to get that melting, merging look. So, 3 things in this update: built-in presets, one-click in and out animation, and full precomp support. All the stuff you actually asked for. Liquid Glass Controller V2 is available now on PayHip, link in the description. And if there's